What are you doing, kid?
Okay.
Huh?
Pew. Pew. Pew.
What you doing?
Cheese.
Cheese? Are you waiting for Christian?
Yep.
Huh? I like your dress.
Cheese.
You say cheese? Where's Alex? Huh? Kaylin, where's Alex?
I the brushing.
In the car seat? He's coming out from school? Yeah.
No. Pew. Pew. And touching.
I like your bow. It's pretty. Where are you going? I like your shoes.
Pew.
Yeah. Who got them for you?
Pew. Pew. Pew.